Now we're going to discuss about applications of LPP. Let us see. A furniture dealer buys cots and tables and sells for a profit. He buys cots and tables and he's going to sell for profit. He buys each cot for rupees 6,000 and sells it for a profit of rupees 1,000. He sells each table for rupee 2,000 and sells it for a profit of rupees 500. His storage space limited for 50 items. The maximum amount he can invest in his deal is 1,80,000 rupee. Find the maximum he gets in this deal. What is the main object in this question? You have to find how many tables, how many cots are going to be purchased in his limited space. Maximum is 50. 50 means that can be like 10 plus 40 will be 50. 25 plus 25 will be 50. Like that you can get so many combinations. But the space is, limited space is 50 items means how many cots he has to buy, how many tables he has to buy. We are going to calculate for the maximum profit. Once again students, look at the problem. A furniture dealer buys cots and tables and sells them for a profit. He buys each cot for rupees 6,000 and sells it for a profit of 1,000. Now let X be the number of cots he buys. Let X be the number of cots he buys. And he buys table for rupees 2,000 and sells it for a profit of 500. Let Y be the number of tables he buys. Now we want the objective function for the amount of profit is X be the number of cots and Y be the number of tables. Now what is the objective amount the profit he require? He want 1,000 rupees on cot and 500 rupees on table. So the amount of profit is Z equal to 1,000x plus 500y, because 1,000 rupees is want from the cot and 500 rupees on the table. He is going to purchase X be the number of cots, that's why I am writing 1,000x plus Y be the number of tables, 500y. And what is the subject to constraints? Both must be positive and the limited space of the storage is 50 items. That means tables plus cots should be less than or equal to 50. So X be the number of tables and Y be the number of X be the number of cots and Y be the number of tables, then X plus Y is less than or equal to 50. And coming to the cost of that one, 6,000 tables of X and 2,000, the total must be investment must be less than or equal to 1,80,000. That means maximum he can invest is that. You can cancel throughout by 2,000. You will get the inequality as 3x plus y less than or equal to 90. Now students, you know how to solve this one by using graphical method. You have to plot x plus y equal to 50. Look at there. If by putting x0, you will get y is 50. By putting y0, you get x equal to 50. So this is the line x plus y equal to 50. And we want 3x plus y equal to 90. By putting y0, you will get 3x equal to 90. By cancellation, you will get the value is equal to, check it, how much get 30. So the point is 30 and the other point is 0, 90 by putting x0. Now by observation, these two lines are intersecting. Now you want the solution of equation 2 and 3. By elimination of y, by putting these values y in the place of 50 minus x here, you will get the point of intersection B is equal to 20, 30. Now student, we want the feasible region. Look at there, x plus y is less than or equal to 50. That means it is inside of this part. This is less than or equal to 50. And 3x plus y is less than or equal to 90. This is a shaded part. So finally these two are intersecting at this point. This is the shaded part you require. This is your feasible region, common region for both of them. That is a feasible region you require. O, A, B, C is the corner points. Now at origin, first you calculate the objective function of maximum profit. The value is 0. At vertex A, putting 30 comma 0 in this one, 1000 into 30 plus 500 into 0, that gives 30,000 at vertex A. At B, put 20 comma 30, you will get 20 into 1000 plus 1530, which is nothing but 35,000. At the corner point C, 1000 into 0 plus 500 into 50, you will get 25,000. By observation, we can say that it is having minimum value at 0 and maximum profit is getting at B vertex. So at this corner point, you will get the maximum. So what is the corner point you got finally? 35,000 came, 20 comma 30. What is 20 indicates? 20 indicates the number of cots, 30 indicates the number of tables. So student, you require 20 cots and 30 tables to get the maximum profit for the investment of 1,80,000 for the limited space of 50 items. So once again, let X be the number of cots he buys, let Y be the number of tables he buys. The objective function of the profit is Z equal to 1000 X plus 500 Y, because each cot is going to get a profit of 1000 rupees and each table he gets a profit of 500 rupees. So the amount of profit function Z is equal to 1000 times of X plus 500 times of Y. And the subject to constraint is what? There is a limited space for 50 items, that is cots plus tables should be less than or equal to 50. And there is investment also. The maximum investment is 1,80,000. So 1,80,000 means whatever cots you get, number of cots into 6,000, number of tables into 2,000. That should be always less than or equal to, investment should be always less than or equal to 1,80,000, which is nothing but 3x plus y less than or equal to 90. By solving the LPP, we got the maximum profit is getting at the corner point B, 20 comma 30, which is nothing but 35,000 rupees. You will get profit if we buy 20 cots and 30 tables.